Miami Unicum, Alpha Charlie Charlie 007, taxiing to runway 8 left. Miami Unicum, Alpha Charlie Charlie 007, crossing runway 8 right. Miami Unicum, Alpha Charlie Charlie 007 is taking off runway 8 right, departing straight out.
Miami Unicom, November 325 Juliet X-Ray, taxiing to runway 8 right.
Miami Unicum, Delta 1161, taxiing to runway 8 right. Miami ground, Delta 1161, ready to taxi to runway 8 right.
Miami ground, November 325 Juliet X-Ray, ready to taxi to runway 8 right.
Delta 1161, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 8 right, Delta 1161.
November 325 Juliet X-Ray, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 8 right, November 325 Juliet X-ray.
Delta 1161, give way to aircraft on your right.
Give way to aircraft. Delta 1161.
Delta 1161, thank you.
You're welcome. Delta 1161.
Delta 1161, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Delta 1161.
Miami Tower, November 325 Juliet X-ray, ready for takeoff at runway 8 right, remaining in the pattern.
November 325 Juliet X-ray, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
Miami Tower, Delta 1161, ready for takeoff at runway 8 right, departing east.
Delta 1161, hold short of runway 8 right.
Holding short runway 8 right, Delta 1161.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 right, November 325 Juliet X-ray.
Delta 1161, line up and wait runway 8 right.
Line up and wait runway 8 right, Delta 1161.